hope you're ready. I hope you're ready.
It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, I see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream.
Hear the sounds of the Scarecrow head, go another hard flick, scary episode, legendary dope, cause the MJ soul, so you wanna hang on, cause I'm gonna take off like a breakdance song, and I'm trying to make a home for the Scarecrow comes, when he comes, he be down, I got my headphones on, and it's not about a renegade, beyond what you're afraid, never been afraid, cause I do what I want. If I wanna be relevant or raised like the other citizens, then I wouldn't be intelligent, literal with lyrics in my spirit, from the voices in my head, now you hear it from my physical life, make hits tonight, Scarecrow, you better find something better than a kitchen knife, if you serious and you fit the fight, hold up, nah, stop, nah, wait a minute, I'm faster than Flash when I rap, if I step on the gas, it's a rap, and back at the class with a strap, when I turn in the tab, move back, bullets go right to out of my gap, matter of fact, let the news reveal and interview, till I squeeze you, buzz a hole, patch you up like an inner tube, about to go to full extent, but subliminal, they don't really know I'm working with a smooth criminal, residuals, put your body in a swimming pool, people swimming through, it's not a limit to what I'ma do next, Scarecrow came and took me out my living room, then brought me to a farm all the way from the jet, what I'ma do is what I always been doing since I got here, running for the feds to the sense, but I can't, every time I get close, see him, haystack, wrapped in garbage bags, gray hat, Mike Jack.
But terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to breathe, and so it looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is
I'ma have to fuck around and turn into a killer, cause I gotta go and kill him before he fucking try to kill me. Look, I'm trying to get home in the twilight zone, all alone with no phone now, ain't this a bit. Got me sitting at the crop, smelling those weed, where it's coming from, I ain't know the crow on the low, had a house that's green, get out my head. Kinda states why you bring me here, how you know I always wanted a greenhouse, motherfucker, stay out my dreams. Before I put you on the hemoline, moonwalk, gonna have a nigga tripping, have a nigga lipping, here's another whipping, burning on your bridges, open up your stitches, now I'm off the hinges with a vengeance to avenge my life. Insidious, destroy that evil parasite. With a midnight thriller, vanilla, pro skiller was thrillers that I'm ill with a 9mm, see it not gonna kill me. Found my way out, gotta get back, pay my tag, just bill me. Enough for the creep show, putting red through a tails from the grip. Motherfucking frail as a bitch, trying to possess and bag my soul. Just for that I quit, and then I went.
and no one's gonna say you found the beat about to strike. You know it's daylight, daylight. You're fighting for your life inside a killer, thriller, tonight.
You're fine. World order like the new world order. I don't follow no orders in this new world slaughter. From the corner where they deal with dope, marijuana, crystal meth, nothing less and less a customer's request. And I guess you have to put the best through a test. And I get that in part of your piece, you ain't rest with a less. Understand you had to get it off your chest. You decided to bring Koderedd to a fight fest like this. 1 minute from chilling in the lobby to boom dots running from zombies behind me. Captivity, paranormal activity with this capacity, match audacity. You gotta be kidding me. Crows, where the hell is all the pigeons? All I hear is crickets and I'm seeing little midgets. Oh my God, nope. Man, this place is so ridiculous. I'm never gonna miss it.
As demons pulsating on every side, they will possess you unless you change that number on